Welcome, friends, to the planet Saturn. Glad to see you join me. What should I say? Glad to see you've joined us. Just letting you know that we're running into some complications with the whole 50 sub video between camera malfunctions and camera being stolen, horrible acting of my extras, just horrible. The one guy that did do good turned out to be a total derp. Nothing wrong with being derpy, but there is a time and a place, and I just tried to help the kid, and he I'm not gonna go too far into it. It's neither here nor there or important, but it does affect the process, and regardless, the 50 sub video, the RMG versus SMG, or in layman's terms, Ridiculous MG versus Super Slothy Gamer, is delayed, so I'm gonna have to reevaluate, reshoot, and I filmed it in sequences. It's, I don't want to give too much away, but it's many different styles I put together, and first part being live action, that's been the hardest part. Like I said, my actors, one gave absolute shit performance, and the other one is just going to help me reshoot, with yours truly in it, but he derped out on me, and I'm done with the kid. Fuck him. So, thanks for those of you stuck with us, and those that are still here, with no fear, I really appreciate it. Yeah, we really appreciate it. And hopefully we'll turn this curse into a blessing, but fuck, I'm never going to do anything like this again where I'm going to be like, this will come after so many subscribers or whatever. It's been a pain in the ass, and I'm sorry if I let some of you down. I know I've lost some subscribers here and there, but only thing I can say is, fuck you. Sorry, shit happens, Some of us work a 40-hour week, and we gotta get shit done, and shit happens. But it'll happen. Another update, and mainly I just wanted you guys to we got the mark yet, bud? Yeah, I just mostly watch these sequences a lot because it's got its own purpose. I'm just, as always, I'm always making and collecting those So, this whole charade will help. Woo! Till next time.